Hello, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahrul Septika. You can call me Tiu. I'm from Lamongan, East Java. I'm 20 years old. I study at NCL. At NCL, I learning about front office. I study reservation and how to record guest booking. I learning how to welcome the guests at the reception. I practice answering the ask I telephone operator. I also study how to help guests and give information and counsel. From my study, I also practice English speaking and customer service. I believe this knowledge will help me to work in a hotel. I am ready to work hard and give my best. I hope can join your hotel and grow together. Thank you for your attention. See you.